Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever felt like your computer's hard drive is just shrinking, like every single day? Well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to unlock a super powerful feature that's already built into Windows that can instantly free up tons of space. So let's dive right in. So, does this question hit a little too close to home? Yeah, it's one of the most frustrating things that can happen. You go to install a new game or save a big project, and bam, your PC hits you with that dreaded warning.
Ah, yes, this little guy. Seeing this pop up can completely stop you in your tracks. But what if I told you the solution isn't about frantically deleting your precious files? What if it's just about changing where they live?
So, what's the main culprit here? Believe it or not, for a lot of us, it's OneDrive. By default, it wants to sync all your cloud files onto your PC, which means every photo, every document, every video is secretly eating up your local hard drive space. But don't worry, we are about to fix that. So, how do we do it? Well, the key is a feature you probably already have and might not even know exists. It's called OneDrive Files on Demand. This is the secret sauce to turning the cloud into your actual hard drive, letting you see all your files without them hogging space on your machine.
And here's the big idea. With Files on Demand turned on, the files you see in your OneDrive folder become these smart placeholders. They look and feel like they're right there, you can search for them and everything, but they only download from the cloud the exact moment you double-click to open them. It's honestly genius.
This basically breaks your files down into two simple camps. On the left, you've got your cloud-only files. They live happily up on OneDrive servers, saving you all that precious local disk space. On the right, you have your locally available files, the old school way, stored right there on your PC. Our mission? It's simple. Move as much as we can over to that left column. Okay, enough talk. Let's get to the good stuff. We're about to hit the one-click fix that tells OneDrive to make everything cloud-only and give you all that storage right back. All right, let's do this together. First, find that little white or blue OneDrive cloud icon, probably down there by your clock. Give that a click, then hit the little gear icon for settings. From there, go to Sync and Backup, and then Advanced Settings. And right there, that's the magic button, Free Up Disk Space. Just click that, hit Continue to confirm, and let OneDrive do its thing. Now, what if you can't find that little cloud icon? No worries, it happens all the time. Just hit your Windows key to open the search bar, type OneDrive, and click the app to launch it. The icon should then pop right up in your system tray, and you can pick up where you left off. Awesome. You've just flipped the big switch. But what about getting even more control? Now we're going to look at how you can manage individual files and folders so you can decide exactly what stays on your PC and what lives in the cloud. Okay, so let's say you just finished a huge video project. You don't need that 10 gigabyte file taking up space on your laptop anymore, but you definitely don't want to delete it. Easy. Just find it in your OneDrive folder, right-click it, and choose Free Up Space. And just like that, poof, the file zips back up to the cloud and your local space is reclaimed. Now, what about the opposite? Maybe you've got a super important presentation and you're about to get on a flight with no Wi-Fi. Well, just find that file, right-click, and this time select Always Keep on this device. This pins it to your hard drive, guaranteeing you can open it no matter what. So, how do you tell what's what without having to guess? Well, you don't have to. OneDrive uses these nifty little status icons right there in File Explorer to tell you everything you need to know at a single glance. Think of this as your quick cheat sheet. If you see the little blue cloud icon, that file is purely in the cloud. It's just a placeholder taking up zero space. The hollow green checkmark with the white inside, that means it's temporarily on your PC because you opened it. And that solid green checkmark, that's your VIP file, the one you told OneDrive to always keep on this device. It's permanently on your machine until you say otherwise. All right, you've done the work, you understand the icons, but now for the most satisfying part. How much space did you actually get back? Let's go find out. This is super simple. Just press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time to pop open your settings. From there, click on System and then Storage. That page is going to give you a beautiful, clear breakdown of what's using your hard drive. And there it is. I mean, imagine seeing a number like this. Depending on how much stuff you have in OneDrive, you could seriously reclaim tens, maybe even hundreds of gigabytes. That is a massive win for your computer's speed and overall health. And hey, one last pro tip for you. On that very same storage settings page, look for a feature called Storage Sense. If you turn that on, Windows can automatically manage this whole process for you. It'll intelligently make files you haven't used in a while cloud only. It's like putting your storage cleanup on autopilot. And just like that, you're back in the driver's seat. You've turned your cloud storage into a true bottomless extension of your hard drive. The only question left is, what are you going to do with all that brand new space? Go on, enjoy it.